Hello and welcome to Derek McGuire's Week 9 coding assignment video. This assignment was about building a menu application to perform create, read, update, and delete operations upon the project database. This included learning to write the menu-driven application as a whole with the correct exception handling, implementing and importing a scanner to collect user input, working with BigDecimal objects, which has the SQL Decimal equivalent, using Java database connectivity JDBC to correctly handle resources, connections and prepared statements, ensuring they were closed properly with the try with resources blocks or statements, and then implementing the JDBC methods to insert a project object into the project table, which converted a project object in Java into a row of data in the SQL project table in the project database. So that was done this week, and we had to import 4 entities: category, material, project, and step, and imported the DAO, data access object base class in Java, which looks like an abstract class as indicated by the little A there. And for the coding this week, there were 3 classes: the project's app, which is has the main method. This also has the scanner, as you notice. Has multiple methods that we created. I have over here, and including things like process user selection, exit menu, get int input, and get string input, among others. Then there was the project service class, where a project data access object was created, and the insert project method was performed on that. We go to the project data access object class, and here we define the insert project method, where we have the SQL statement. We've got the placeholders represented as question marks here. This helps with preventing SQL injection attacks, and this is all a transaction, by the way. Starting transaction, establishing database connection using the get connection method. We've got the parameters here to set the getters and setters come into action, and then we've got all the other stuff here that happens. And so here you notice these are in the try with resources format and the try and catch blocks. Any exception, we catch it, we throw a new one. It explains to the user what's going on, and the application, the menu-driven application, keeps on driving. So let's go to the project's app, the main method, and run. So we got 1, add a project. Let's add a project, make sure it works correctly. Enter the project name. Let's do install hardwood floors. I'm going to go through this quickly. 10 hours. Actually only took 5.75. That's the BigDecimal right there. Very difficult at 5. Use the flooring from Home Depot. Shout out Home Depot. So here we go. We got this. I've already added a few. We've got the ID, the data, all you can see right here. You can see it all. Okay, so let's see ABC. Does that work? No. ABC is not a valid number. This is the exception working properly, and I can try again. 5. Does that work? 5 is not valid. Try again. That was nice and easy. Press Enter key to quit. Does that work? Yes, it does. Exiting the menu. And there you have it. That is the menu-driven application for Week 9. This has been Derek McGuire. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your week.